Not that bad. Not that bad. Oh my god. No way. All of that is just the guessing. Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that. But if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go. Hi guys, here's me, Anna, just sitting here, freezing, because that's kind of the cold period started. So we're gonna be more spending our time here back at home, so the offices inside of the buildings. And that's the good point to start something new, to try something new. And for example, this not so good strategy, right? I don't think it's gonna be kind of working one, but you have plenty of time, you can try it. That's my recipe. Let's go. And us once again right there, 1 minute, 400. Then currencies from the top of the list with the biggest payouts, just to maximize all that we have. I think it's enough. Then we go in. It's gonna be 10 seconds. Yes, but it's gonna be cannot say the best and the easiest one, but with the right setup that may be kind of helpful. We go in with the RSI for a start. Yeah, make it not so flat, because sometimes the wrong period makes it really flat. Then we're going with the envelopes, and I don't love it much because in some cases it's so helpful, and then the next bat it's just flat as, I don't know, it's a moving average or something like that. I want it to be lower, just in case, maybe it's going to be better. And then we're going with the ATR. So you may see that second line indicator. And this is not the perfect one. They're getting combined, but they are also kind of flat. Okay, let's try it. 3 flat indicators. That's gonna be it. Not that bad. Not that bad. I think we gotta get downward. Look at the envelopes. Sometimes it's not even flat, it's so wide, and it's giving you nothing to think of. Yeah, that's another side of this problem. We're going with the full bat for the downward trend. You can see it's just a pattern, and the question is, and the main thing is not to go upward quite fast after we go downward. Let's see it. You can see these 2 green candles. I had a stroke on it. When I just got it, I was, oh my god, no way. But the situation is a little bit better now, and we can get the first profit. So we go for the next one. Raising 600. Right there, it still seems like, okay, we were kind of at the highest position, so we may go downward, but I think we're going to be rising, because we may go downward right now. And if I'm being honest, look at its candles, look at this image that we are having. We don't have kind of any, it's kind of big distances between the candles, especially right there. But it's getting better. You can see the longer candles, and you can see nothing, literally nothing from the indicators. 0. So you need to be smart without any helpers. You need to be smart and independent one. And you need to read all these charts, even with the bad strategies or without any strategies. So my thought was, okay, it was kind of rising, because if you check the envelope, seems like the whole thing is to rise. Plus RSI. If you're going to be checking it, we had some lower period, but then maybe we are rising, but all of that is just the guessings, if I'm being honest. If you are not so sure and see the situation like that, just ignore it and skip it. That's gonna be for the best. Oh my god, that's the bottom. Finally, we have something that we can be sure about. We went for the bottom, and I don't like that we are rising with this speed, because that's gonna be the highest point quite soon. And what we're gonna be making and doing after the turn? We gotta get the turn, the reverse movement. Let's see. Look at that. Maybe these big envelopes actually mean something. We have plenty of space. We are kinda somewhere low. I think so. And we have plenty of space. And we can see that from the RSI, because look at that. Only now we are at the highest point. And that's important. Okay, let's make the last one. It's not that bad. The worst situation, when you kind of promising that it's going to be the perfect strategy and that's a disaster. And the cases when you said, okay, it's not going to be so fine and you are doing pretty fine, that's a good one. I want a positive vibes today. Nobody knows why. I have really, really bad weather and I have really, really bad contact today in the first part of the day, but with some people, I mean. But I'm doing fine. And I haven't had my coffee, actually. My second one. It's my must. Maybe that's the key thing. So right there, sorry for getting distracted because this is kind of boring. Envelopes is wide. The fluctuations are small and non-readable, but RSI showed us that it was kind of the highest point, so I went for the downward one. ATR being crazy, so if I'm gonna be giving this course and the competition, the first place is for the ATR, second one no, for the RSI, second one, for the ATR, and then for the envelopes. So confirm, and we got it. Yeah. Yes, it is, as it is. It's not that perfect, but it was working at some points, but in most of the points, it was actually just the extra ones on the chart. Sometimes it's happening. You can replace some of these indicators, maybe some downtrend channels, maybe counter channel instead of the envelopes, and that would be better. And of course, some awesome oscillator instead of ATR. That was nice. Okay, guys, try it, improve it, fix it, and I wish you a lot of the profits.